Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming your Apple ID and payment basics. This prevents repeated failures. Sign in and make sure two-factor authentication is active because Apple blocks some actions without it. Once signed in, open payment methods and check card expiry, CVV, billing address, and funds. Incorrect info is the most common cause. Next, scan your purchase history for pending or failed charges so you know which transaction to target. Make these corrections now. They clear the path for the next steps. Now you address errors. Cancel or retry any pending purchases in the App Store or subscriptions page. If a retry fails, add or switch to an alternate payment method. Use a different card or linked PayPal to isolate the issue. Make sure billing address exactly matches bank records. Mismatches trigger declines. If you see duplicate or unauthorized charges, request a refund from the app or Apple support and download receipts for evidence. These steps resolve most billing conflicts before escalation. Proceed to finalize. Finish by refreshing your session. Sign out of the App Store, restart the device, then sign back in to force Apple servers to reevaluate your payment. If problems persist, gather receipts, screenshots, and device model details, then contact Apple support. Provide exact error messages and transaction ID to speed resolution. As a key troubleshooting tip, call your bank to verify no blocks or fraud rules are causing declines. Ask them to temporarily allow the vendor or to reprocess the transaction. That usually clears stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.